To fix Facebook security key. In today's video guys, I will show you how to fix this on your Facebook. Just follow this video till the end. So first go and open the settings of your device, then go and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search now for Facebook. Now you have to scroll down and click on storage. Here on storage, go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, click OK, then you have to back, click on force stop and click also OK. And what you should do right now guys, you have to go to battery and you have to click on optimize it, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you another